Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off friend request notifications on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off friend request notifications on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left hand, scroll down. Under preferences, you will find notifications. Click on notifications. Scroll down again. Here you will find friend requests. Click on friend requests. Here you will find three type of notifications. One push notifications, another one is email notifications, and another one is SMS notifications. Here all types of notifications are enabled. Just click here to turn off push notification, and I am turning off email notification and also turning off SMS notifications. This is the easiest way to turn off friend request notifications on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.